Yes, man. So,
Okay.
so we have like multiple tables. So we have importantly the fact table. Okay.
Mm,
And if you can see there is a customer table. So
mm,
why I have placed all the SQL statements here is just for understanding
mm,
what are all the columns present in the table.
mm,
Okay.
mm,
Even we can design, probably that will take much time. So probably I'll make a kind of a mapping document.
mm,
But let's say understand we have a from the customer table.
mm,
Okay. So from the customer table, you have customer key,
mm,
right? And
mm,
let me highlight this. And let's check in the fact table. Do we have a customer key? Yes.
mm,
Okay. So this is the fact sales and this is the dim customer table.
mm,
So these are the table names.
mm,
And for each table, likewise, you can see there is a date key here.
mm,
Okay.
mm,
From the date dimension table. So yellow highlighter are the table names. And if you
mm,
can see there is a date key. Do we have a date key? No, but you have a order date key. So I can join
mm,
order date key equal to date key if you need anything from these two tables.
mm.
Similarly, every table is having some key columns.
Yeah.
Geographical key, here it is geographical key. So here you have a product key, okay,
Mm,
and we have a product key.
yeah.
And you have a ship date key here, and you have a ship date key.
Mm,
Perfect. So we
yeah.
ship mode is missing, right? So shipping mode. This is the shipping mode, sorry. So this is the
Mm,
ship date, shipping mode. So this odd shipping date key and order date key are like a kind of a role play dimension. So we don't have a date key. If you need a ship date, you can make use of ship date as a join. If you need an
mm,
order date, you will go with an order date. That's interesting. Okay.
mm,
So
mm.
we can utilize this in a different way. Now you understand, right? We have these.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the tables and you can go with the query. So interestingly, so what I have done is I created some questions.
Mm,
This is what we are going to do. Okay.
mm.
You understand, right?
Yes.
So these are like some high level questions and
Mm.
I have the solution. So we can refer actually.
Okay, cool.
Okay. So give me a second. I'm getting a call.
Mm,
So we have all these questions. Okay.
mm.
So now you understand, right? So how we
Yeah.
can practice and how will at least this is the
Yeah.
first thing. So
Yeah.
going in the so next session, so what we can do is like we can create sample tables. So from basics.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
So I have a roadmap. So I actually, so you can see there is a complete roadmap. So you
Mm,
can see what is database and how we can insert some tables, create some tables. There are a lot
yeah.
of information, you see.
Okay. Cool.
So it will take a long time. I mean, it's a kind of a
Yeah.
process where you can see, so create a table, you can
And then
create,
insert.
yeah. So you see
So yeah.
students information, students and course name, and we have enrollments, and we have different constraints, right? Primary, foreign key, unique, not null, check. So these concepts we can go through step by step. Okay. This is also
Okay,
very
cool.
interesting.
Yeah.
So now, let's understand total sales in 2023. Okay. So
Mm,
you have sales information in fact table and you have 2023, right? You can use this table just for join. Okay, so
Mm,
it doesn't ask like any question. Hey, display or even year also. Just it's saying like total sales in 2023. But so can you tell me uh,
mm,
so we have sales from here.
mm,
Let me copy. So we have sales information from fact table
mm,
and year from. So let's make use of year column. So the question is
okay.
total sales in 2023, right?
Mm,
Let me copy in all in SQL Server. So no need to go back and forth.
mm,
So total sales in 2023.
yeah.
So I'm going to use first we can use if he wants to use a database, right? So
Mm,
if he wants to use a database, so you can type in the database Superstore DB. I'm saying go so that it will use
mm,
Superstore
yeah.
database. Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, you have to go into that thing. Okay.
Yeah. Now, so now let's see. So you have sales from fact table
Yeah.
and and year from dimension table. So what is the SQL query? Select. So I need totals. This is the question. Okay.
Yeah. You need a total sales, right?
Yeah. Select
Yeah. So you select.
year. This
Mm,
is from year comma. So I'm going to use, okay, let's type in year. I'll come back for alias and sales, correct?
mm,
From, so first I'll pick the fact table, okay?
mm,
So DBO dot fact sales as FT
mm,
join DBO dot dimension date table. Is that correct?
mm. Yeah.
So now you can see this as a DD, date dimension.
Mm,
So I can say this year is from DD dot year. Now I can utilize the alias name
mm.
ft dot sales. So it shows if you are using any dimension, you have to go with group by, right? So if you need an aggregate function, okay.
Yeah.
So if they are not expecting any date, so I'll come back both. So if you want just a sales without any dimension, you don't want to apply any group by function, okay.
Yeah.
On ft dot, what is the join between these two tables?
So the date, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so ft dot in the date we have a
You have
date
a date
key.
key. Oh,
Ft dot, oh sorry, order date key we have in fact table equal to, you tell
DD.
me, dd dot
DD dot, yeah, yeah, date key. Yeah.
date key.
And then you
So
can see where DD dot date key is equal to year. Where DD dot year,
where dd dot
year is
year
equal to
equal
23.
to 2023.
Yeah.
Perfect. So let's
You
run this.
put the asterisk, right? Or it will work. Okay.
Okay, let's see. Like
Is it a string or it's not
now
a
you
string?
see it's not aggregating.
Yeah,
No,
it's
no, no.
not.
So we need total cells, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we
So
can make use of sum as total cells.
yeah, okay. Yeah, it's not aggregating.
Perfect.
Yeah, so now it's aggregating.
Perfect.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
4510 667. So if you want to, so you have the solution. So if you want to go back and check what exactly the solution, so here is the solution. So
Mm, yeah, okay.
this I have done, but I think where which one happens? Yeah, I think this is the one actual one.
Mm,
Okay, whatever, like you can see the same result. That's
yeah,
okay. So perfect. So now we can make use of the another question.
yeah. So we go through their questions like every time we go to other ship in
Order
December.
shipped in December. So now this we need to understand.
So yeah, you can comment that thing now, right? Double comment the line.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Order shipped in December. So shipped ship date. So
So that one is okay. So that's a sales key, right? So
this is the
do we
ship
have
date key
orders?
and we have a order ID. Okay.
Yeah,
And we can make use of orders is like maybe count of orders, and
yeah,
we can make use of only December. It doesn't specify any particular month year.
yeah.
So all the years. So we can say we need to check this table actually first point. Okay, let me click on new query. Let me execute. So you see we have a December month name. Okay, we have a month name and we need to get the December month orders. Okay, based on
Yeah.
the question is shipped, right? So
Mm,
oh sorry, so the question is order shipped in December. It's
yeah,
not order, ship date, so we need to make use of ship date as a join between. So it might be a bit confusing initially, but now let's concentrate. This date key will be joining with the ship date.
yeah,
Okay,
okay.
okay,
Mm,
and we need to get the orders,
yeah.
total number of orders. So let's try. So I'm also not aware of the SQL, the solution. So
So
select
ID,
orders, right? Orders,
yeah,
order ID. So
order
from where
ID,
we have order ID, so we have a order ID here. Select count of order ID, right? Number of orders.
yeah, yeah, it's going to become. So yeah,
Count of order ID as number of orders
yeah, comma.
from. So no, we don't require
Oh,
anything. So
okay,
just
okay,
an orders shipped. Okay.
okay, okay. Just another.
Yeah. So
Comma.
from fact table,
Yeah,
FT join, again same date dimension, right?
yeah. So if you just specify without left, right join, it's going to do an inner join, right?
Better we can use, yeah, left join, because everywhere we are going to use as a fact
Mm,
table as a driving table. Okay,
yeah, yes, correct.
that's a good question. So I can say this is ft dot So now we need to join as I said, right? So same table we are using. So ft dot before we used order date, right? Order date as the order date key. Now I
Mm.
can make use of ship date key. Ship date
Yeah.
key equal to dd. We need to specify dd here. dd dot date key, where dd dot month name equal to
December.
December. That's it, right? So let's try.
Yeah.
15656. Let me go back. Order shipped in December. So count of order ID as number of orders. So they used month equal to 12. So I use month number. Okay. But let's
Yeah.
see. 15656. Any difference we can see in the result?
Mm.
15656. Perfect.
Yeah.
Anything is fine. So we
Mm.
concentrated on the December. I used month number, but we already checked so the data. So we have month name. So that will be easy. That's the reason we use.
Mm.
Okay. So you're getting right. So if it is
Yeah,
not
yeah,
interesting, so let me know.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, SQL is always not interesting, but you have to pay attention. Like
True, true.
it's good for you to remember. Like,
Yeah. Sales for corporate segment. So now you see sales is coming from the fact table. Okay, let's
yeah.
go with this one. Sales is coming from fact table. And what is the other point? Corporate segment. So in segment we have corporate, right? So if you want, we can go back to this table and we can try sample
Okay, so which table do we have the corporate segment?
segment. Yeah, this is the one. So let me run this. You see, we have customer key, customer ID, customer name, and segment, consumer,
Yeah, yeah,
home
yeah.
office, and corporate. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the table. So in the here the common key is customer key.
Yeah.
Customer key, and in the say fact table, so this is the date column, but in the fact table, so we have a customer key. Okay.
Yeah.
So now let me open from here. Now you tell me. So we have a fact sales table and we
Mm.
have a customer table, customer columns.
Mm.
Okay. So we have customer key
Yeah.
and we have a customer key here. This is the foreign key and this is the
Yeah,
primary
foreign
key.
key, that's a primary key. So we can do that. We can bring it in.
Yeah. Sales for corporate segment. So select
Yes. Select then
if,
dim
yeah, if you
customer.
want to go for segment, will display segment. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Segment comma sales from dbo dot fact sales ft join dbo dot dim customer table.
Left join, right?
Customer table. Yeah, left join. I'll use left join. So now, so this segment is coming from customer table dot segment.
Yeah.
Yeah. And sales is from fact table. Fact table. So we'll use aggregate function. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Sum of,
Then you have to group by, right?
yeah, sum as total sales. And now, what is the join? On fact table
On,
dot
so the foreign key will be custom, which the foreign key will be, um,
customer key, right? So between
yeah,
customer table and fact table, we have customer key as a
yeah.
common,
So that will be that will you join on that one, customer key.
yeah, customer key. And we'll use group by
You group by the segment.
ct dot segment. That's it. Or so first, let's run this. Okay, we need
Yeah,
only
if
corporate segment, right?
yeah,
Perfect. So we are getting segment wise total sales.
yeah. So we can just restrict the
Yeah, where ct dot
segment. Secret
segment
segment is equal to corporate.
equal to corporate. Why it's coming out? That's
No, no, you have to select all. Yeah.
now where condition it's showing some error.
Oh, where condition? Where
Oh, I'm sorry. So this
yeah, the group by
group
goes
by
down.
should be last,
Yeah.
right? So
Hmm. With corporate, they're spelling, right? Run just the top and then let's see the spelling for corporate.
it should not be and okay, control set. There should not be and, right? So yeah.
No, no, the corporate is wrong, the spelling. Just run the two and let's see the spelling for that. Yeah, okay.
Oh, it's okay. So it's not accepting double quotes. It's accepting single
Oh,
quotes.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
So you see, let me try again. So double quotes.
Double quote. So SQL Server doesn't accept double quote.
Oh, okay. So you
Yeah,
see, so
yeah, yeah. So it has to be one quote. Mm.
yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Okay, nice.
Yeah. Ramesh, do you have Oracle too?
Sorry,
Do you have Oracle database?
Oracle, no, no.
Yeah, that's what I use.
Oh, okay. Majority of the cases I will use SQL Server and it's easy to
Yeah,
practice. So,
that is true.
so profit greater than 1,000.
Yeah, this is where I always have problems. I always have problems with it.
Hmm. Okay. So it's not, it doesn't require any other table. So we need only fact table. So from fact table, we have profit, correct?
Yeah, Robert, what I really have problem with dates, greater than and less
Yeah,
than
true, true.
dates.
Sum of profit as total profit. Just say profit greater than 1,000. Let's see.
Yeah, okay.
Do we need to aggregate or not? I'm not sure. So we
Uh,
should be aggregate, I
yeah,
think.
yeah, yeah.
Profit greater than, okay. Let's see. From dbo dot pack sales, where sales greater than, okay, sales greater than 1,000. So I know because we cannot, if we wants to know at the lowest level, we will get to know. But with this is the total profit. So
Mm,
if I put if I exclude the filter, if he wants to know the total profit, this is 13582, right?
mm,
Let's see. See 2829. So it is way more than that. So
yeah.
it's excluding the record level filter, sales
Mm,
greater than 1000, and we are getting the result. So let me check
yeah.
on the,
So it's going through row by row, and anything greater than thousand, it's summing it up.
yeah, true.
Okay.
Okay, it's not there, so maybe it's easy. I didn't mention that. So sales by region, this is pretty good. Both we can copy.
Yeah, sales by region. That's what you're gonna do is like select. So it's going to be select the table name, select region from the table name, right? And then
Yeah,
you do
so
the count. Yeah.
you have a geographical table.
Mm,
Now we have a sales information from fact table and region from geographical table, dim geographical table.
mm.
So you tell me, select.
Yeah. So select region, right? Region. Yeah. Some. Okay. As total. Okay. And then from the geographical table, dim graphical table, right?
So I'll use the first driving table as a fact table, okay?
Okay. Okay. Sure. Then region. Okay. For let's join.
DBO dot region, geographical
Yeah.
table as GT.
Yeah.
So I will use alias now, GT dot
Yeah.
here.
This is where I was always having problem with this. Okay. Now I get it.
So now tell
So
me on.
on then on so GT so wait so then FT DBO FT
No, no, no.
oh
It's we
yeah
already
yeah
have the tables.
so FT fact table, so you're going to join it on fact table, right? So
Yeah, so I pick the fact table. Fact table dot what is the common column?
the common column, the primary key will be geographic key, right?
Yeah,
So
geographic key equal
yeah,
to
geographic key, geography on
GT
geography,
dot
yeah, GT dot
geographical key.
geographical, yeah. See, I get confused. Wait. You see the line 42 on, bring it down, put on and I enter to another line. Sometimes my brain doesn't think,
Oh,
yeah.
perfect. That's a good way. So now we
Yeah,
aggregated, right? We have aggregate function. It's showing invalid as
yeah,
we are using aggregate. So it should be group by
yeah. So it has to be, yes, group
group
by
by.
region, GT dot region.
Perfect.
Yeah,
So the only way is like, so if we don't know the data, so that will be interesting, right? So if you're not aware of what exactly the column names and table names, we need to understand the data there by looking into the tables, and so we can.
yeah, and that's where the problem. You see, this one is easier to look into the tables.
And
Oracle is kind of like a little bit.
oh, okay. No, at least the tables wise, okay. I'm saying the logic wise.
Yeah.
I mean the subject wise. So
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So right now, you see, Ramesh, I'm interviewing. I think I'm gonna go into another team.
okay,
Like they're pushing me into another. They've been taking me around, right? And it looks like I might go into another team, and I'm trying to understand the data from
okay,
another team. And look, if you look at the table, raw table, Ramesh is it's difficult to just look at the raw table and get the understanding of it.
Yeah, true, true.
Is there any trick?
Sorry?
Is there any trick you can use to at least know like the table, like the thing, especially me, number one, the name of the tables are sometimes I don't remember.
Oh, yeah. So we have to, I mean, it depends on the data and the things, right? So to remember the tables or the kind of first we need to understand what type of table it is.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that way
So like for where I am, like the ADS people, they have like 5 or 6 base table. And it's only 5K base table, but I mean, what they have in there is a lot.
yeah,
So for you to get the metadata, look at the metadata and what is going on and try to remember and see where the joints and things are. It's not easy.
it's not
You have,
easy
you
if
have to be
you,
working with the table for a long
yeah,
time.
so that's what I'm saying. You keep on working. So if you keep on working with the tables, you keep on working with those columns and some logics and
Yeah, and that's what my manager don't understand because me when I do Tableau, I don't touch those tables a lot.
yeah,
So if I do other things and you ask me about the table, I don't know much about the table. Would it be
got it.
fair to
Yeah,
say we don't know? Yeah, yeah. So that guy, I don't know what's wrong with him. But,
true,
yeah.
true. Okay, so let's look into a couple of things now today, and maybe we
Yeah,
can plan some better options tomorrow.
yeah,
Okay?
it's from tomorrow. Okay. But this is good. This is refreshing my memory. And then,
Yeah, yeah.
I will go back and look at this one again. And then maybe
And
tomorrow, when
also we'll go with some complex scenarios. Okay. So
yeah, okay, sure.
now let me tell you, I'm skipping this. It's a direct one. But
Mm,
how can we achieve top 10 products by sales? So we have a top 10 function. Select top 10 products. So select top 10. So I'm sorry. So where is the, so it's asking top products and sales, right? You have a product name. Okay.
yeah. So Ramesh, you can drag and drop, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can drag and drop the table, yes.
Yeah. So we have a product name, comma, sum of sales, total sales from fact table. Okay. So from dbo dot fact sales, ft left join dbo dot product, right? Dim product, pt.
Mm.
Now I will be using pt dot and this one ft dot.
No, you have to come into the sales.
Perfect. You're on track. So
Mm.
now, so this is straight away. So we are applying top 10 function. So
Yeah,
can we use rank or rank over partition by row number or some rank, right? Let's try that.
yeah,
Yeah. So ft dot, what is the product key, right? Ft dot product key equal to pt dot product key. Okay. So let's try. So we already applied top 10 and
yeah.
we need to apply group by, right?
Yeah, group by.
Every time I'm forgetting group by pt dot
Me too. I forget.
product name.
Yeah.
So now let's use order by pt dot, oh, order by sales, t dot
Okay, fine.
sales.
Okay.
I'll use sum of sales.
But the
T
sales
dot.
is not exposed. Order by some of. Oh, okay, okay. I see. All
Yeah,
right. So
what I mean to say is like
yeah,
I mean descending order.
yeah, descend you know. Okay, cool. I get it.
Perfect. So you got 10 records.
Hmm.
And let me check, is that the correct one? Or I'm not sure. So what I have done. So geographical top 10 by products. Yeah, this is the one. So yeah, select top 10 by product name and sum of sales as total sales. And I used order by also here.
Okay.
Nice. So is there any way, I mean, I'm just checking, is there any way we can achieve using rank over partition by?
Uh, so if you go that way, then you'll be using Windows, like Windows calculations
So
in
let me remove this. Yeah. So you can use same function and rank function. I'm using rank.
okay.
Let's see. Rank over.
Yeah, this is what I always forget. So this is like LOD, right? This is like LOD in Tableau.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Rank over partition by
Then you have to say the partition field,
product name,
P, product name, okay. And then, yeah,
and partition by product name, order by, it's not necessary, I think.
yeah.
As
Yeah, I always forget this function.
okay,
I
it's
never
not that.
remember this person.
Okay, so let me, it should be bracket. Something is missing, so I'm not. Should be here. If we close, it won't consider. Yeah.
I forgot how Google it.
Yeah, we have to Google for sure. So then we'll ask Google
Yeah,
rewrite.
you can say, yeah,
So just if you type in, obviously it will understand and it will kick me out and they say, hey, what you're writing.
uh,
So it's simply saying no need of partition by, because you want to order the entire list of products by total sales, partition is not needed. Oh,
so,
okay. So if you use partition by product name, every row would receive a rank 1.
oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, let me try this for now. And let's execute.
Oh, right now Google is becoming efficient too, like AI, the other AIs.
You see where I got mistakes. Over, after
Yeah,
over, I need to give a brackets.
order. Yeah.
Yep.
I
So
I never remember this,
yeah.
Ramesh.
Now let me use partition by category.
Partition is a keyword. Oh, watch the spelling.
Oh, you are perfect.
Partition, I think it will be
Yeah. So now, so these are like silly mistakes I'm doing, right? So now let me add pt dot category. Now let me use group by category comma product. Okay, I will be grouping both,
mm.
not applying
And you're
any.
partitioning it by the category, right?
Yeah, true, true.
So it's just like LOD, I think. So LOD, you state the whole the level, right? So the level becomes
Yeah, you
category.
see, this is so for each category, we are getting. How can we display for each category top three? Okay, where row number less than or equal to 3. Okay,
I thought it was only Oracle that you can do that. Can you do that in SQL Server?
invalid row number. So, oh, you mean to say
Yeah, row num.
row num? Yeah. So let's apply this. An aggregate may not appear in the where clause. An aggregate may not appear in where clause unless it is a subquery containing having clause or so. Oh, so is what I have done here. This one
Yeah.
order
Looks
by. What's the easiest way? Okay, so I don't want to waste the time. So I'll be removing this for now. And where row it's not picking, right? So
yeah.
we'll come back this. This is interesting. So
Mm.
we'll refer this row number equal rank is less than or equal to 3. Oh, still, let me ask Google. Because window functions like rank cannot be used directly in the where clause. So this is interesting. Nice. So, oh my God. So we have to use common table expression. This is where we have to learn something. So how to apply rank. So once we apply the group by function, then if we want to get the top three something, so we have to apply the common table
Mm.
expression. So we need to save the result set. So let's see how what is the result we are going to get and what we can learn from here. So this we are getting top three, okay, top three products. So we are getting category as in general category I'm using here. But if I don't want to use category, so that's okay, that's secondary. But if you want to get top three, uh, so let me remove category here and remove category here. So these are the top three records, okay?
Mm.
So that means I cannot, other than top function, if I want to apply a filter condition on top of this, so it is a bit tricky to handle. So
Mm.
maybe we have to understand what are the alternate ways.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Mm.
this is nice. Uh, so likewise, we can redefine the questions. Okay, so how we can complicate and how we can achieve some
Mm.
examples, and we can try Google
Yeah, yeah,
asking
yeah.
those questions and we can learn something. So, but we can
Yeah.
come back this. So probably these are interesting. So we can utilize the same for tomorrow also. Tomorrow,
Yeah.
the same data set when we can learn some complex
Oh,
scenarios.
yeah. So, yeah, yeah. It's a good start.
Yeah.
At least I refresh my mind with some SQL stuff.
Yeah, and
Um,
this interesting, right? So we learned something. This long back, that's what I'm saying. So even we are making some silly mistakes, rank over
mm,
partition by. So I know rank over, but so
mm.
now you have to use the bracket and then we can use order by or
But
partition
Ramesh,
by.
how do you remember all these things? Because sometimes it's tough. Like,
Yeah, that's what
if you
like
don't use it.
yeah. So even I was very bad. So that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Remember Tableau, MicroStrategy, and even
yeah,
now
yeah,
Databricks and other concepts, learning few things. But so you have to be consistent. So you have to be at least
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
weekly once or twice. You have to practice.
Yeah. Okay, good. All right,
Yeah,
so
let
we
me
can
go.
pause it here and